Hi scholars! So today I am going to show you a little pre-writing activity, and this is going to help you organize your how-to essay so that you can get your thoughts out and you can organize what you want to say. So I have up here a graphic organizer, and I'm going to talk about this in just a moment. But let's think about a topic in general of maybe something that I would like to write a how-to essay on. For example, maybe my topic is how to make a telephone call. Okay, so remember, we've talked about this before, but organization is a trait of good writing. So we want to make sure it is the best it can be and that it's organized and it's clearly laid out so that it's very easy to understand. So I want to write a how-to writing about the experience of making a telephone call. So to start, I will think about what I know about making a telephone call. Now, I know that you need to know the number for whom you are calling. I also know that you need to pick up the receiver before you actually dial the number. And as I think about each step for making a telephone call, I will write what I remember on a graphic organizer, just like this one. This will help me organize and remember my ideas, and ideas are also a trait of good writing. And then in turn, I can take the ideas that I put on this graphic organizer and I can begin to write sentences and paragraphs. So now, let's think about our topic again. Our topic was how to make a telephone call. I would write the topic in the top box. I'm going to list all of the materials that I would need in order to make a phone call. And if I think about it, I just need a phone and I need a person. Okay? Then, when I move down to the bottom part of the graphic organizer, I'm looking for a sequence word. Those words are first, next, then, last, finally, all of those sequence words that tell the order in which you should do something. So the first thing you probably want to use is the word first. And underneath where it says step, you're going to write what you have to do first. So the very first thing you need to do is get a phone. Okay? The next thing I'm going to do in step 2 is I'm going to say you need to pick up the phone and dial the number. And number 3, I'm going to finally, or last, listen as the phone rings and hope that the person on the other line picks up. So I would eventually fill these out. I can put my extra details in the end there, but this is then going to turn into sentences, and then that will become your how-to essay. So your task is to choose a topic, and I'm providing you some below this video, so you can take a look at those ideas, or you can come up with your own how-to idea. And you're going to begin to complete a graphic organizer just like this one for the topic that you chose. Now, you do not need to turn in the graphic organizer, but I would like you to use this graphic organizer to help you as you begin to set up your writing. And then your final essay will be due at the end of the unit in lesson 5.19.